Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can solve this problem when you open your Play Store and you will get this error, something went wrong on your Play Store. So if you are facing this same issue like try again and something went wrong, I will show you how to fix this. So for this, first of all, you have to open your mobile settings and then scroll down a little bit and tap on this apps and then tap on this manage app, and now you will find your all the applications here. So you have to find the Play Store, or even you can search in the search bar Play Store, and here it is. Tap on it. So you will see these options: force stop, uninstall updates and clear data. So first of all, you have to tap on this force stop and tap on this OK. Now you will find this option storage. Just tap on it, and now you have to tap on this clear data and then tap on this clear all data. After doing this, just go back, and now what you have to do is you have to tap on this data usage, and then you will find this option disable mobile data or disable Wi-Fi. So if these are on, you just have to turn that off like this, and after doing all these things, you just have to open your Play Store now, and then your problem will be solved. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.